If you're tired of opening your refrigerator and finding mismatched plastic containers, stained lids, or leftovers that don't stay fresh, you're definitely not alone. Staying organized with meal prep is hard enough without dealing with unreliable food storage. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Sorbus 20-piece glass meal prep container set to see if it can actually make weekly meal prep easier. The Sorbus glass meal prep containers set includes 10 reusable borosilicate glass containers with matching airtight lids, making it a practical solution for meal preppers, busy professionals, families, students, and anyone looking to reduce disposable plastic food containers. Whether you're packing lunches, storing leftovers, or organizing ingredients for the week ahead, this set is designed to simplify everyday kitchen routines. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, minimalist design. The clear borosilicate glass makes it easy to see exactly what's inside without opening every container, which is surprisingly helpful when your refrigerator is full. The rectangular shape also makes better use of shelf space compared to many round containers, and they stack neatly on top of one another for a more organized refrigerator or pantry. The lids feel sturdy, and the four-sided locking clips provide a reassuring snap when sealed. One of the biggest advantages of glass over plastic is durability during everyday use. These containers don't absorb food odors or become permanently stained by tomato sauce, curry, or colorful leftovers the way plastic often does. Because they're made from BPA-free borosilicate glass, they also handle temperature changes well, allowing you to move food between the freezer, oven, and dishwasher with confidence. That flexibility means fewer dishes to wash and fewer containers to transfer food between during busy weekdays. Performance in daily use is where this set really shines. The airtight silicone seals help keep prepared meals fresh while reducing the chances of leaks during transport. Whether you're carrying lunch to work, storing chopped vegetables, preparing overnight meals, or saving leftovers from dinner, the containers stay securely closed inside lunch bags and refrigerators. Their 2.6 cup capacity also works well for balanced meal portions, making them especially useful for anyone following a fitness, weight loss, or meal planning routine. Using these containers quickly becomes part of an efficient weekly routine. Many people like preparing several lunches at once, and having 10 matching containers makes that process much simpler. Instead of searching for matching lids or worrying about different container sizes, everything stays consistent. Cleanup is equally convenient since both the glass containers and lids are dishwasher safe, although hand washing the lids occasionally may help extend the life of the silicone seals over time. Like any product, though, there are a few trade-offs. Glass is naturally heavier than plastic, so these containers add a little more weight to backpacks or lunch bags. While borosilicate glass is known for its durability, it can still crack if dropped onto a hard surface. The locking lids also require both hands to open comfortably, although that secure seal is exactly what helps prevent accidental leaks. Compared with similarly priced glass meal prep containers from brands like Pyrex, Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass, or Elo, the Sorbus set offers excellent overall value because you receive 10 matching containers at a competitive price. While premium brands may offer slightly thicker glass or additional sizes, Sorbus focuses on providing dependable everyday storage that meets the needs of most households without significantly increasing the cost. Overall, the Sorbus 20-piece glass meal prep container set is an excellent choice for meal preppers, busy families, office workers, students, and anyone trying to eat healthier while reducing plastic waste. It's especially worthwhile if you regularly prepare meals in advance or want a more organized refrigerator. However, if you need ultra-lightweight containers for frequent travel or hiking, plastic alternatives may still be more practical. If you're ready to simplify meal prep, keep food fresher, and organize your kitchen with durable, reusable containers, the Sorbus glass meal prep container set is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews, kitchen organization ideas, and practical buying guides.